Starting the new releases off in the office, this is what I printed yesterday. So we have a mix of new releases as well as some restock. So now I had to print all of the overlays for these weekly kits, and then I can go ahead and have my mom start cutting. And then once I have a full set made, I'll go ahead and share with you what these kits look like. So we're actually bringing back 2 kits from last year, reformatted. First one being Explore, and then we're also bringing back, if I can find it, we're also bringing back Nevermore, which was, both of these kits were super popular last year. And then we also have a new kit coming called November. This one actually matches with the November monthly kit. Okay, I'm back. Got my coffee. I got a cold brew with oat milk. And now I'm ready to print the overlays for these new releases. So basically how we print the overlay is we use the layers function on Silhouette. So we just turn on the foil layer, turn off the kit layer, turn off the registration marks, which we do in page setup. And then that is what it looks like when we are ready to print. We always do a test print, and yeah, so sending that to printer. I still need to turn on this printer and load it up, so let me go and do that. This is the one that we'll be printing, so I'm just, lining it all up and then putting it in, making sure it's the right side. Okay, then we're ready to print. Coming out, and I always have to supervise when things print out of this printer because it always like comes out curled, and sometimes it'll fall behind the printer, which is pretty annoying. But this is what it looks like. Pretty close on the first try. I'm gonna print the rest of the full boxes and then post a poll on Instagram asking for foil suggestions. In case you don't know, that was Casper. He is actually our security guard around here. He is very good at his job. I think he saw someone walking outside. I think it was like a gardener, so yeah, he was barking at them. He's still looking out the window, but here's your treat. Good job, Casper. You already know what time it is. I'm back with our new releases for tomorrow, and I need your help picking foil colors for our 3 new kits. So this first one is November, super cute fall kit. The quote box says "Hello Pumpkin," and then next is a reformat from last year. It's called Nevermore, and I think last year we ended up going with silver foil, but I don't know if we want to do something different this year. And then this one is also a reformat from last year. It's called Explore, and last year we picked gold foil, which I kind of want to do gold again, just because we just released this kit called Evergreen and there's no foil elements printed yet, but I was thinking of doing gold since this one is silver, so let me know. And that is how it's done. So now I have all of the stories. I'm gonna go add in the polls now. Okay, I finished printing all the overlays for the new releases. I still need to cut the sets, but I'm currently taking a lunch break because it's currently 12. And I went and got some sweet green, which is my absolute favorite. They make the best salads. This is the green goddess salad, and I always get the bread because the bread is so good. Since I have my mom help me cut the new releases, I will go through every single file and I will make sure all the cut lines are on the right setting. It just makes it easier for her. She doesn't have to worry about that. Currently, I'm just getting started. I'm cutting Nevermore, so Let's send that to the cutter. Great, it did not work. So, did I place this crooked? No, doesn't look crooked. Okay. As you can see, silhouettes are always a little finicky to work with, regardless of how often you use them. Okay, it is going now. The full boxes are always really quick since there's not too much on this page. We get asked what are like these wooden sticks that we have for our machines, and it is just to keep the cutting mat flat while it's going through. As you can see, it is flat. It just kind of helps the silhouette register these marks better. Once it's cut everything in the page, now it has to cut the actual sheet out. So it's cutting on a different setting, just so that, as you can see, you can peel it away from the whole sheet. And there we have it. So that is the whole cutting process. If I can take this off, I don't think I can do it one hand. Like so. And yeah, you are left with a couple of sheets of stickers that are ready to be foiled. Finally finished cutting all of the sets, so now I'm gonna go and cut the foil. According to the Instagram poll, you guys voted for rose gold for November, which is perfect because I think the monthly kit is also in rose gold foil. So then Nevermore, I think it was really close between silver and light gold, but silver did win, so that is what we are going with. I think we actually did silver last year, so good choice. And then we have Explore, and last year we did gold, but this time light gold won, so I'm excited for something different. We have journaling kits for November and Nevermore, but no journaling kit for Explore because it's an abstract kit, so everything is just solid colors. There's not really any watercolor or any florals, so didn't think it would make for a good journaling kit, so that's why we only have 2 journaling kits for this week. We have November, which super cute, love all of the florals. And then we also have Nevermore, which really pretty neutral kit. I think this is perfect for October. And then we also don't have deco for Explore, so only deco for these 2. We already have the deco available for November. It's the one that matches the monthly kit. And then here is the Nevermore deco sheet. So those are the new releases that we have. I'm gonna go foil them so you can see the final look. They're all foiled now, so now it's being pressed under this block of quartz. Yeah, they tend to get curly once they go through the laminator, so I try to flatten them as soon as they come out. That way, when they cool down, it's like flat. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm gonna wait for them to fully cool and flatten before I go ahead and take product photos. And then I'll do a little quick flip through and that'll be the rest of the video.